Okay, so we spoke to this guy. He's extremely expensive. I don't like that. Okay, we gotta get. It's not a quest. This is a quest. Moki wants to show his friends how brave he is. Find a Howl Fang. Yeah, where did I fight the damn the dude? I do not know, which is a problem. What is this? Rumor: a shrine stands in Inkwater Marsh near entrance to Qualock's Hollow. Right. What about here? Anyway, I'll head back down. It's an interesting game. I mean, it looks a lot better than before. The physics and all is pretty strong. Now I know I fell down. It's beautiful, man. Oh right, there's. Yeah, okay, we gotta go in the water, which we can't do until the waters have been purified, like last time, right? Even last time was the same. Right, so I was here. We don't have a launcher with us, unfortunately. Gotta love the music too, by the way. They did a good job here. Okay, then we got Mr. Mapmaker right here. He made, you know, he got his money. I bought the map for him. From him. It's for me, but you know. Get out of here, man. Harassing me for no reason. Okay, so we definitely went here. That hurt. Okay, we definitely fell over here. And we fought something. I don't. Oh no, we fell here and we fought something. I remember now. And I should have burned this, but I did not. So now I need fire abilities to burn it. Okay, it wasn't here, right? There's no way it was here. Just being completely honest. I'm pretty sure it was past this place. Yes, because I remember running away from him here. I think maybe it's under the water. I mean, I don't see much underwater, but it could easily be underwater, you know what I'm saying? I mean, the sound of the footsteps and all is really well done, man. Is this where I fought him first time? Maybe? Here's the Moki. Yes, a fang will make the perfect trophy, not a big smelly skull. A real Howl fang, gleaming and bright. There must be one close to where you fought Howl to the east. I will stay here and keep watch bravely. To the east. Isn't this east? Aha! Remember you can also spike and shit? I remember a little bit. I fought him here? I honestly do not remember. Okay, we can do this. There you go. I mean, it doesn't seem like I was here. Did I fight him over here? I mean, apparently I did. There's a Fang, Howl Fang. He found a new quest item, a fine trophy for a brave Moki. Give it to him. You found a Howl Fang. Bring it to Moki the Brave. Mock the Brave. Hello. Yeah, there's stuff up there. Go back. There is definitely stuff up there, but I don't think I have the jump power to get there right now. Hello, Mock the Brave. Moki the Brave, whatever your name is. Ooh, a real Howl Fang. None will doubt Mock the Brave now. This is for you. I am brave, but I am also generous. Wow, so nice of him. Oh, it's Gorlak ore. You found some ore. A clever craftsman could use this to repair structures. Yeah. Cool music. I love it. Okay. So we're done with that. I guess now we can just go back. Right. Because I figured it would be like where I actually have been before, but apparently no. It's in a brand new area. Do I have enough? I have 650. How much did we need? 600 I thought. To buy one of the cool upgrades. 1 second. Let's not. Ow. You can do this. Just go here and then go back. There you go. Easy peasy. Oh, you wanna go? No, don't try and spike this guy. Just stay on the floor. It's easy enough to kill him. He killed me. You think it's so cool, huh? You can kill me? Oh god. I hate having a cold. I don't think I even have a cold. I'm just coughing for no reason. Human body, man. This guy gotta figure stuff out. Trying to hit me, man. I mean, it's a predator, right? It wants to eat me. It's not just trying to hit me, it's trying to eat me. Bloody hell, stop getting hit. Alright. Keep it going. Don't try and do fancy stuff to this guy. Just it's very simple. Just hit him normally, you got him. I do love spiking enemies though, it's fun. Alright, wise monkey man. Offer. Interested in owning your skill? A deal on your first purchase? Oh yeah, okay, here we go. Why don't we get Spirit Smash to destroy unstable ground? Or we can just buy a spike. Nah, give me Spirit Smash. Make the most of your new skill. The next won't come so cheaply. Stay sharp. Interested in improving your skills? I am. 1800. Shock Smash. Drop attacks with Spirit Smash create a shockwave, and everything else is 1200 now. Stay sharp. How the hell do I assign these things? There you go. Spirit Smash. Beaming. So I can touch, I can hold B to use the giant hammer. I can. Ah. So it's not just a smash. It's a hammer. So I can use it in directions. I can use it upwards. I can use it downwards. Using it downwards gives me the smash. Okay. Now that we can actually break stuff, I could just go down here, break all of this. But are we really going to do that much backtracking? I say no. I say we wait to get this and then we can grab that and grab that. Okay. Once we get a new teleportation point. For now, let's just move. Thank you, buddy, for the hammer. Oh. What are you? Like a hammer machine? How hard can you hit it? No? I mean, it's some kind of... It's something, for sure. Yeah, this. Okay, we have poles as well. Wow, we're hanging upside down off the pole. Oh, you can explode. Ooh, I remember these. Hell yeah. Get out of here, man. What the hell happened there? I do love using my hammer, though. Grab us some health. Okay, so we got hurt a bit, but it's fine. So we can just leave. I mean, there is some kind of ability down here, so maybe I should just also leave. Okay, well, I don't think we can. Maybe. 1 second. Ah. It's underwater. Oh, and that's all you get from me. Can we burn these brambles? Is that what's going on here? What are you just getting stun locked for, dude? It's smashed. Turn around, little caterpillar asshole. Okay, I'll come to the side then. Ooh. He didn't die? Oh, he died. Why you killed yourself to kill me? How horrible is that? Hulk smash. Okay, didn't work. Okay. I see, I see. Say bye-bye to life. I hope you did enjoy living. Oh, fuck off, man. Why do you kill yourself? Goodbye. You kill me, that's understandable. Wow, look at that. How smart. Okay, we're back over here now. Okay. Well, it's not breaking, though. How the hell do I get to this shrine? Yeah, it's not working. I mean, the other way to get here would be through this, but don't exactly see a way to break it open. Maybe I don't have the abilities. Oh no, no. Oh no, there was something right in here. Okay, you finished that. Did he die? I think he died. I think I sent him into like spikes or something. I did. Okay. No, into water. Okay, that's all. That also works. Yeah, I saw that shit. Can't hide it from me. From other people, maybe. What the hell is up there? Little spike. Ooh, okay. One second, one second. Some Gorak ore. It's sent to the damn Shadow Realm, dude. I'm safe here, okay. What the hell is even this? Bro, I can't go in there. Oh, but using this, perhaps I can. Oh, piece of craps. Ooh, perfect moves. Energy cell fragment, one more to increase maximum energy. Okay, what's down here though? One must check. Hell yeah, we got this. Life cell fragment. You have completed a life cell. Maximum life has increased. Just the way I like it. I do like having more life. It's one of my favorite things in the world. How dare you, sir? After all I've done. Eat spikes. Okay, I'll get there. I'll get there. I'm agile. 100, no problem. Yeah, I'll kill you again. I don't care. I'll use energy to regain HP. I don't care. You think I care? I don't care. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. No, I'm there. Okay. That didn't work. The Inkwater Shrine. A rumor has been investigated. Of course it has. What else am I gonna do? Not investigate the rumors of an extremely powerful ancient shrine? When I myself am an ancient creature of some sort? I don't know. Maybe. Onto the rope. Oh, okay, that was a spike there. It's a lot of help. Goodbye, sir. How dare you hit me? How dare you hit me? Oh, okay, explode, sure. Energize me. And we open up a little shortcut. How nice. Well, this is not very nice, though. How the hell am I? Okay, well, maybe you know how I'm supposed to do it? Because I'm not supposed to do it. Okay, well, have a look at what's inside the combat shrine. What the hell, bro? Yo, I can't hit. Get murdered. Level 2. Yo, I should be invulnerable. Yeah, I got some energy. Yeah, I'll use that energy. What the heck are you? Okay, so okay. Bloody hell. Okay. They're dangerous. We got this though. Can't be that hard. Goodbye. Love it. Gotta do it within like proper time limits. Come on down, Buggo. There you go, extra energy. Right, Mr. Redding. No chance. Boom. Easy peasy, baby. What the hell is this? A shard slot upgrade. You can now equip more shard slots at once. Okay. Find more shard slot upgrades to equip even more shards. But, I mean, I like that. Sticky. And we can put resilience, 10% less damage. And we can increase damage dealt taken by 15%, but it's only 5% because we just reduced it by 10%. That's good. And we can do it again. Like, I don't know why I would do it again. Maybe there's an advantage to this. I don't know. Do it again. Maybe it's like level 2. Okay, get murdered, I guess. Energize me. Get killed. Oh, they pay me a little bit. Okay, well, that's not as interesting, but you know, it's fine. I'm sure that is useful to some people, not to me. Why is all this grayed out now? Oh, it's not. It's become night or something? I don't know how this shit works. Okay. I'm out of here. You said go investigate a shrine, and I said okay, and I did it. What did I get for doing that? I mean, I got a shard sword, so I mean, it worked. Worked out in everyone's favor. Stop this shit. Dead. Then we can just do this. Do that, get my energy back. Cannot go straight up, but I can get out here. Because we are done. Should I just go down there and maybe try out my my luck with my new skills that I got? Because I did get some new skills. Maybe I could use my hammer. Go all hammer time on these guys. Nothing? Right, how the hell do I... Like so? That's not gonna work. Why did it waste my first jump? There you go. Hello, I checked out the outpost. Interested in improving your skills? I mean, I am. You give me like a big discount, but you won't. I mean, he knows he's required. I do love using the slam. Once you go back to previous areas. And you're just insanely overpowered. They just freaking break apart in a single hit. Like giant ass hammer. No, it doesn't break. Okay. Look at him just melting. I haven't hit you with this. Oh, you get stunned. That is so sad for you. What? It doesn't work. Or it has to be burned. There is no other way to do it. You have to set fire to the damn thing. That is the only way to gain anything. That's bullshit. You know what? Sure. We're doing backtracking anyway. I'm gonna backtrack all the way then. Might as well do it properly. Finish it off. When I do end up coming back, because I definitely will, I'll have less things to. This dude is gonna kill me. Well, not if I don't let him, I suppose. Oh, it's not there. Got him. Ooh, more ore. Gold-like ore. What structures am I trying to repair anyway? Like I have so much ore. Someone wants ore. I got ore for them. All you gotta do is ask. I'll give you like a lifetime supply of ore. I do love slamming them down though. A lot of satisfaction in doing that. I remember how difficult it was when I fought the first one. That's what makes killing them so much more satisfying. We'll do a save, one of the few places we can actually manual save. Combat Shrine. I don't have the ability though. Because this is not a ore as I thought. This is a shrine. Don't just stand there swinging your sword. It's not gonna. Your hammer is not gonna work. Why? What the hell is going on? I am dumb. Why am I dumb? Yeah, we go for number 2 first. Okay, screw you. Screw you again. I'm dead. I hate this. This is horrible. Fuck off with the horrible swing. Why? What is this? Oh, you just killed your friend. Oh yeah, just stand there and get hit. That's a good idea. Yes, the triple fucking jumps. Get out of here with that. Energize me. Don't worry, you'll explode, but that's because you have no other choice. Goodbye. There you go. Am I done? Nope. You are done though. Are we not done? Oh, a Redding. No, get out of here, Redding. No! Oh my god. Why is this so hard? I'll try it again. Okay, there goes your triple jump. Single. Okay, no, you're doing triples. Trying to stay in the corner here, so I'm safe. They explode. Fucking idiots, they explode. Of course they explode. No, I'll complete this. I'll complete the damn thing. Don't you worry. Might take a million years to do so, but I will do it. Get out of here. Still don't know exactly how to deal with your asses. Energize me. There's two. Why are they on all sides? Get out of here. Fuck off, game. Just who makes these so hard? I miss having insane range to just like do whatever the hell I want. No one can stop me. Fuck off. Okay, Mosquito Land, I remember. Got him. Okay. Ooh. What? Get out of here. Holy shit. Okay, now we have raiding. Remember, we have raiding here. No matter what, raiding needs to die. This guy's supposed to be dead? Thank God. Shard sword upgrade. Incredible. I'm not gonna initiate combat shrine. Have you lost your mind? Also, why do I get pluses here? What do these pluses mean? Can I level them up? I do not know. Holy shit, man. Shrines are... Shrines are really something, huh? They don't be messing around. They will kick your ass if you're not careful. There you go. Nice little save. Then I suppose we just head over here. I don't know where else to go, so I guess I'll head over there. Anywhere else ever slam down things I needed to break? There's one up there. I think I can get over there right now. Get out of here. You know how many of your kind I murdered recently? Way too many. Bye, idiot. Trying to hit me. Who do you think you are? Okay. We keep going up, straight up, and like so, and then up, and then here, then maybe up here, or continue exploring here. I don't know where else to go, so that is what we shall do for now. Do love hammering away. Okay, well I made it up here for what? I guess we have to go here to go up. Don't mind it. Don't look at me. I did not give you permission to look at me. You know, I broke these like bones. No? Okay. Well, I tried. Wow, the way up is horrible. Right, I remember now. What? Why? Why would you do that? Why would you ever do that? Such a horrible thing to do. There you go. I love my hammer. Hammer is good. It's hammer time. I have the money like barely anything, but you know, every little bit counts, right? Notion is made up of drops of water. There you go. Got him. Nice. Keep going. So what would this game be classified as? Like a platformer Metroidvania? It is a Metroidvania, right? Because there's so much backtracking. I would hope so. Like what else could it be classified as? Combo, love it. And we're back up here. Took us a while, monkey man, but we're back. Now there's no way I can go up, I don't think. Okay, yeah, no. We need some other kind of ability or something to go up. Meaning, I don't know, we go this way, but like... There you go. Okay, we gotta really spin it. Wait, can we swim in these waters? No, bro, why? What the hell are you doing, Dumbo? Missing every hit. Oh, here we go. We Mokai saw where the little owl fell, near the home we left behind. Silent woods. Scary woods. Okay, so they know where he is. Hello, owl man. Or woman. Oh. There's his feather. He does need that to fly. Kowok is kind. Kowok can help. Oh hey, thank you, Kowok. Oh, this is the stone guardian? Oh, the wanderer is up there too. Huh. Right, well you guys can just wait over there. You know what? I'll just come over. I'll see what's up here. Are you a Tok? Hello, Tok. The gaze of the great Kowok admits only the worthy. Or so the legend says. Of course, this isn't Kowok. It's just a statue. Come to think of it, it doesn't have any eyes either. How is it supposed to gaze at anything? Some legend. Bah. Alright. What else? The great Kowok is no mere legend. No, he's quite real. When the light left the spirit willow and decay spread through the land, he was watching. If it weren't for him, the Mokai might not have had a place to go when the woods where they used to live grew too dangerous. So were they on my island? That's why they call Kowok their guardian. He's kept the decay at bay for now, Keno, so it's over here. Okay. Yeah, okay. Cool story, bro. I'll just go. Switch. It does have eyes. Oh, we drained the water. Well, that's useful. Yeah, I drained the water. Funny, I could have sworn the water in the chamber was much higher a moment ago. That's how it is nowadays. Everything is changing and never for the better. Bah. I mean, he used to be a map maker. So you know everything's changing, right? You gotta make new maps. Keeps your business running. Don't stick to the floor. Just let me walk. Thank you. I mean, he has a mouth. I'm guessing his mouth. And look, there are eyes. I mean, they're not. They don't have anything in them, but they're there. Come on, fall down. I know. I know you're kind. Oh, and I can get the new ability that's over there. Right. Because now nothing can stop me. Is it a full ability? It is, right? Boom. Spirit Arc. It's a freaking bow. You've gained a new ability. Hold LT to assign it and fire away. Put it on Y. Holy shit. I got a bow. Power on. Oh, so it's like the freaking balls. Yeah, okay, I know. And there was one right here too. Alright. Again, those DLC balls, I guess, were inspired this thing. And they were not inspired by this thing. Oh. I should not do that. Whatever. There'll be other ways to gain health, right? What are you? Eye stone. Oh, I'm giving him eyes. This curious eye-shaped gem would fit nicely into a stone eye socket. Okay, okay. So I'm giving it, like he said, this guy has no eyes. How could he see? Well, he's gonna have eyes. I'm gonna give it to him. Bro, stop that. No, don't do that. Okay, so we gotta give it a little falling bow shot, like a cool action hero type deal. I get it, I know. Hell yeah, bro, like that. There you go, cutest eye-shaped gem. We got two eyes. And now he will no longer be blind, I think. I don't know how exactly this shit works. It's a statue. Oh, here we go. Send the eyes. And that opens his mouth, as expected. Can I get to my friendo over there? I don't think I can anymore. Oh, he's gone too. Well, okay. Cole walks hollow. 0%. I mean, I guess I'll come back. Guardian of the Marsh, find Kowalk. Alright. Oh, I'm working on it. Who the heck is even you? Spellmaster? Twillin? Ooh, the glowing stranger my customers speak of with such awe. Tell me, is it unusual for your kind to fall from the sky? Not really. I mean, we fall as leaves. I have met many curiosities on my travels after all. Oh yes, some fall, some fly, some prowl, some slither. But all are customers, you see. Just customers who want spirit shards. View shards. Oh, right. Gain 1 additional energy, 1 additional life, deal bonus damage to flying enemies, 10% chance to deal 50% bonus damage, meh. Reduce energy cost by 50% and increase damage taken by 100%, okay. Swap maximum life and energy, interesting. Of course. Ah, you met the feathered traveler, not yet a customer. No, no, he's not bought anything from you? Because you steal shit, okay. He doesn't quite agree with my way of appreciating such ancient temples, you see. But what a waste it would be, leaving my dazzling shards to lie, useless and forgotten. Even so, I grow wary of the hunt. Perhaps I will find some place to set up a proper shop. Someplace less dank. Care to refine your spirit shards or buy an entirely new shard, perhaps? View upgrades. Take 20% less damage. Okay, and magnet orbs float toward you from a great distance away. Cost 750? Crazy, man. Nah, you crazy. Thank you for your patronage. I didn't even do anything. Nope. Of course. I want nothing from you. Nice to know you exist, though. Come on, man. Yeah, I know what you are. Anyway, Right, we can't save, but I guess I've saved right here. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.